Hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to set up your Google Workspace business email step by step. If you are a small business owner or team manager looking to create professional business emails, and then this video is absolutely for you. This is a step-by-step tutorial that how you can set up a Google Workspace emails. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to https://workspace.google.com, and then you can see this link right here. Simply tap onto it. So before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box, or it can be in the pinned comments. Just check them out. So as you can see, I am headed over to Workspace. Now tap on to get started. Now to create a business email, you need a domain like any domain you wish to. So if you don't have one yet, you can get one from popular domain providers like, let me show you, GoDaddy. Also there's another one which is Namecheap. You just can use them to buy a domain. I would personally recommend you to go with the Namecheap because their domains are usually cheaper and offer great value. So once you have registered to your domain, you are ready to connect it to your Google Workspace. So head over to googleworkspace.com and click on get started as I just showed you. Now you have to enter your business name. For example, I'm gonna tap something like drop shippers guild. Okay, now let me answer the questions of these basic questions like this, and then I'm gonna choose USA. From here, let me find USA. This might be somewhere here. This might be here. Let me find them out here. You can see this United States. Now you have to tap next. Now you have to enter your first name and last name, also your current email address. So let me enter something, my first name and last name. So I'm gonna enter now, then my last name. Now you have to enter your current email address. For example, I'm gonna enter my email address. Wait, let me enter it. Now I'm gonna tap next. Wait, there's a spelling mistake in it. Okay. And now you have to enter your domain address. Like if you want to get a new custom domain, you can simply tap onto it, and you can also buy a domain from here by simply searching from here. Like here you can see, you can buy a domain from here. Let me show you the prices. You can see the prices here and the domain names right here. You can buy them, like these are $12 yearly. Also there are some more expensive ones. Okay, let me show you again. Let me find one. Now here you can see this. As you can see, you will use this domain to set up Google Workspace, create professional email addresses like sales@dropshipay.com, and you can sign into Gmail Docs, Google Docs, Drive, Calendar, and many more. And also you will be able to purchase dropshipay.com after creating your Google Workspace account. Now tap on to next. Okay, now then you have to enter your street address, street address line to city, your state, your zip code, and your phone number. Okay, so let me find USA, and then you have to enter your phone number, and then you have to tap next. Okay, so let me enter. Now let's tap next. And let me show you how you can use your own domain that you already own, or perhaps you may have bought them from GoDaddy or Namecheap. Okay, So before that, let me show you how to buy a domain from GoDaddy or Namecheap. The steps are similar in both sides, so I'm gonna show you the Namecheap one. You just have to visit the namecheap.com. Now you have to register for a domain. So just search for a domain name that you want to buy, and here you will see some results from here, and let it load completely. And here you can see this dropship.increased $998 a year, and dropship.com you can make offer if you wish to, your name, your email, and then you can submit offer. Okay, you can also buy them if you wish to, like dropship.ai. These ones are the premium domains that you can buy. So you can just simply tap onto one and then tap onto add to cart, and then you can text with the dealer from here and you can buy it. Also you can buy one from GoDaddy if you wish to. Just go and search for your domain name. Similar names will be shown to you, you can see them. So just tap onto them and then tap onto make it yours, and it will start to adding to your cart, and from there you can buy them if you want to. Okay, you can tap onto continue and you can tap onto buy. Now let me show you how you can these domains to your Google sites. Okay, so after buying a domain, you have to head over to your Google sites, follow the same steps I showed you, tap next, and then you can see the option at the top right corner which says set up using your existing domain. Tap onto it, then tap onto continue with this method. Now you just have to simply name your domain, then you have to tap onto next. Okay, and then you have to tap onto next. Now you can use your username and password, and then you have to tap onto agree and continue. And this is how you can use Google Workspace completely. So that was it for today, and if this video helped you, then make sure to like the channel and subscribe to the channel also, and toggle the bell icon on, and let me know in the comment section that which one are you using to buy a domain, like Namecheap or GoDaddy, or you are buying one from Google site Workspace. Till then, take care and goodbye.